Hey y'all, David here to walk you quickly through how to use SheetWhiz. After the tool's been installed and you've logged in, you'll be able to run Trace Precedence. The tool not only gives you visibility on all the cells that forming the references, but takes you to where the precedence cells are, and you can quickly navigate the window which shows you these cells by using the up and down arrow keys. You can also view the precedence of those precedence cells by hitting the right arrow key, which expands the plus button that appears next to some of the cells that have precedence cells. Hit the left arrow key to close. Finally, you can close the window and continue on with your analysis by hitting the escape key. The same works with trace dependence, except this time we'll show you all the cells that refer to the cell that you're on, whether they be on another tab, in an array, or are a named variable. Because trace dependence takes some time to run on large sheets, you can also choose which tabs in your sheet to run it on, helping to avoid long wait times or timeouts. We've also launched Number Cycle, which allows you to apply a number format to selected cells in a spreadsheet. To use it, set the 4 formats you'd like to use in the cycle in the menu. And when you execute the command repeatedly on selected cells, you'll be able to cycle through those formats in your sheet. To demonstrate the customizability of these shortcuts, you can see here I'm adding a decimal to all positive numbers, and now once I apply format 1 again, you'll see all positive numbers now have a decimal, while all negative numbers do not. We have a similar concept for font cycle, where you can cycle through font colors, and fill cycle, where you can cycle through cell fill colors. All colors can be customized. We also launched Auto Color, which will apply font colorings to cells with contents of a specific nature. Currently, we support hardcodes. If you run autocolor selection on an area you've selected, we will search for all hard-coded numerical values and color them the color specified in the menu, in this case blue. This way you can identify hard-coded values in analyses you get from others. Next up is export selection as image. Instead of having to screenshot sheet outputs, you can now run the shortcut which takes a screenshot for you, and then you can paste it wherever you want, such as in a Google Slides presentation. To increase the quality of the image, make sure you are zoomed in on your cell selection as much as possible. Finally, we've also brought over a number of useful native Excel shortcuts that you can explore in the menu. This includes Paste Special, triggered by Alt-ES, Autofit Column Width, so Alt-HOI, Insert Columns, Control-Shift+, and Top Border, so Alt-HBP. You're able to modify these shortcuts as well if the default shortcuts don't work for you. The important thing to note is all shortcuts starting with Alt should be pressed consecutively, while all shortcuts beginning with Control should be held down together. If anything's broken, please leave us a comment. It automatically slacks me, so I'll see it as soon as you send it. We're always building, so any feedback is appreciated. Alright, that's all I have for now. Check out SheetWhiz and enjoy. Thanks!